Daniel, what are you doing? Daniel, what are you doing, honey? You tell Mommy what you're doing? Are you coloring? Can you say color? Say okay? No? Say okay. Okay. What's a bunny say? What's a monkey say? What's an elephant say? I didn't hear you. What's an elephant say? Good boy. What's a cow say? What's a bunny say again? What's a puppy say? What's a pig say? Good job. Say love you. Aw, you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. See you later, alligator. Are you all done? No? Want to color more? Okay.